So friends, today I am going to tell you about portfolio management service and the career option in PMS. We have already covered our portfolio management chapter in full detail with so many concepts. So definitely, so what is the use of studying portfolio management as a subject? Why we are studying portfolio management as a subject? What is the use of this subject in our career? So there are many portfolio management service companies who offer portfolio management services to various clients. Many rich clients mainly do not have time to invest on their own, so they hire portfolio managers to manage their portfolio. So in that manner you will have a great career opportunities. India's many companies are into portfolio management services nowadays, whether it be Motilal Oswal, ICICI, Axis, Angel Broking, many, the list is unlimited. So let's cover some points relating to this and who are the person who are managing PMS services. You will be surprised to know those persons are mainly from commerce background and mainly a qualified CA, CS and CMA. Portfolio management, this industry has an entry level salary of 3,35,000. That's really great entry level salary, and CNBC publication is this, so definitely you can rely on this publication. This industry has 3,35,000. If we multiply it by 20, so it is coming almost 200 lakhs, 2 crore initial salary package for this career option. Definitely for this you need to have a good qualification. Fine sir. You know Warren Buffett, he also invests in a portfolio. He never invests in one or two stocks. He had made a portfolio of various stocks and his earning is around 300 crore per day. Yes friends, it is increasing day by day and these are old screens. So definitely the earning figure must have increased to 300 crore per day. You can see the top holdings of Mr. Warren Buffett or Berkshire Hathaway, whose chairman is Mr. Warren Buffett. They invested in Coca-Cola, Apple, Delta Airlines, Goldman Sachs, Bank of New York, various General Motors. So you can see they have invested in a portfolio. You can see Warren Buffett portfolio invested in different sectors, different companies. Fine sir. So risk and return goes side by side. If anybody wants a higher return, they must take a higher risk. India's Warren Buffett, Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. You can see his portfolio: Titan, Lupin, Crisil, Aurobindo Pharma. Definitely there are some companies who are giving negative return also, but portfolio importance is that negative return also gets compensated by good positive return in other securities. So always make a portfolio, always advise your clients, always advise your parents to invest in a portfolio, never invest in a single security. You can see Rakesh Jhunjhunwala portfolios bifurcation. He had invested in various sectors, so his income is not dependent on only one sector or only one company. This is the rule of portfolio management. Portfolio management says do not put all your eggs in one basket. We should always diversify our portfolio. Fine sir. So you can see the portfolio of Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Definitely these are old screenshot, just to let you know that big people, big investors, successful investors invest in a portfolio. He started his journey with rupees 5,000 and now must have a wealth of around 20,000 crore. Yes friend, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, rupees 15,000 crore portfolio. So his portfolio is worth rupees 15,000 crore. Let me know what is your portfolio value. Yes friends, let me know what sectors, what companies you have invested in, what you have learned after this chapter. I have taken this chapter in much detail in our main class, in our conceptual class for CA and CMA students. Even CFA students can use our classes for their exams. Fine sir. So it's time to make career in PMS, the rise and rise of portfolio management. Rich investors rope in portfolio management services in big way. So definitely Motilal Oswal PMS manages around 10,000 crore, means Motilal Oswal alone manages 10,000 crore of PMS money. PMS assets in India crossed 4.5 lakhs crore. So this is a big industry, it's a big industry. You should look into this industry, this is definitely for you. See, ICICI Prudential, they have PMS services. You can see the website of ICICI Prudential, they have PMS services. And who are managing these PMS services? Who are the people behind it? Definitely they are from commerce background, CA, CS and CMA. Assets under portfolio management scheme doubles in a year. That's really very good. IIFL, portfolio management services. IIFL is also giving portfolio management services. Who is managing IIFL? Definitely we will see. Motilal Oswal is also giving portfolio management services. Who is managing PMS of Motilal Oswal? Definitely we will see. Axis Portfolio Management Services. So what I wanted to say you, all the companies in India are into PMS service now. So definitely they will hire young people, young chartered accountants, cost management, CFA like you, and definitely you will be the first preferred there because your practical knowledge, your conceptual knowledge is tremendously very effective and efficient. ICICI. So IIFL I was talking about, whose chairman is Mr. Nirmal Jain. He is a qualified CA and CMA, market capitalization of over 21,000 crore. So you can see that such a good portfolio management services they are maintaining. Their market cap is over 21,000 crore and this is founded by none other than qualified CA and CMA. So who is telling that our only work is to do audit and accounts? Let's diversify our role. It's time to diversify our role. In 1995 he founded his own equity research company. Fine sir, no problem at all. Motilal Oswal, again it was founded by two chartered accountants. One is Ramdev Agrawal and one is Motilal Oswal. Both are chartered accountants. They met in a hostel as a friend and then they started their broking services and now they are a known face of not only India but of the world. Ramdev Agrawal journey from a CA student to stock market expert. They also provide PMS services. Motilal Oswal and Ramdev Agrawal both are chartered accountants. Fine sir, I am quite fortunate that my classes are running in RVG hostel where they used to study. Ramdev Agrawal and Motilal Oswal used to study in that hostel where my classes are running. Definitely this is before Corona and definitely students of RVG hostel is taking benefit of my classes from various medium. Fine sir, no problem at all. Career opportunities you have in mutual fund. You will be hired by mutual fund because mutual fund also invest in a portfolio. Research house, broking house, private banks, asset management companies, private equity funds, NBFC, KPOs, credit rating agencies, lots of career opportunities. Fine sir. Even not in India, even you can be hired by multinational companies. Yes, friends, if you are studying portfolio management in India, it doesn't mean that it will be limited to Indian boundaries. We have covered the concepts which are universal to every country, every continent. Even in Australia and America, you will read the same portfolio management which I have covered in my class. And you know, mutual fund manager takes home rupees 6 crore annual package. So it's a great career opportunities for you. UTI have also portfolio management services of which they are managing very well. Angel broking, portfolio management services. So you can see Kotak portfolio management services. Fine, sir. Aditya Birla Capital portfolio management services. So you can see these are the people who are managing portfolio management services, and definitely many of them are CA and CMA. Damodaran Kuti, he is a chartered accountant. You can see young chartered accountants are entering into portfolio management services. Damodaran Kuti, fine, sir. Vishal Gajwani, again a gold medalist chartered accountant, So we are proud of these people who have made our profession a very, very successful and career oriented in finance. Portfolio management services, Anand Rathi again is a chartered accountant. Fine, sir. Anand Rathi is a chartered accountant, gold medalist chartered accountant, is an esteemed member of ICAI. Motilal Oswal, Ramdev Agrawal is again a chartered accountant. Fine, sir. So you can see lots and lots of news are coming, and I have lots of other images to show, but definitely I have a limited time, and in my class I have used my ample time to deliver 100% conceptual knowledge and practical knowledge. So friends, it's time to make career in portfolio management services. Our target is 100% marks in subject and a career and a target crore plus package in finance. So are you ready? So definitely you must be ready, because finance is the best career option for you. Most interesting, most lucrative, and definitely dynamic, and you will definitely enjoy this field. The main thing is happiness. You will be happy in this field. You will be using your brain, decision making. You will let company earn. Always remember, the objective of financial management is to maximize the shareholders' wealth, and you will be doing it, and definitely you will yourself earn, and you will make all the stakeholders earn, because CFO is a very, very vital position of any organization. Finance department can make or break any organization, and definitely the concept which I have given you in my class will definitely make you and will help your organization to grow and to become India's one of the best companies, even world's one of the best companies. Fine, sir. So let's play some videos of some portfolio management services so that you can enjoy and definitely think it as your career option.
मेरी मानो तो डायनामिक प्लान में SIP शुरू कर दो।
और सर मैं टॉप 200 फंड वालों से मिला हूँ, उनका रिकॉर्ड बहुत अच्छा है।
मेरे इंटरनेट रिसर्च के मुताबिक फ्लेक्सी कैप फंड इज द बेस्ट।
टॉप 100 फंड, टॉप इन्वेस्टमेंट है। सुनने में आया
सिर्फ एक सवाल, व्हाई नॉट मोतीलाल ओसवाल?
There's one mutual fund whose unique investment philosophy is making investors ask, why not Motilal Oswal?
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
Thank you so much for calling Variety Mutual Fund, sir.
हेलो सर।
Hi. How can I help you?
म्यूचुअल फंड्स में इन्वेस्ट करना है।
Sure, sir. ओए तंबे, इधर आ। आपको जरा म्यूचुअल फंड के बारे में बता। हाँ। In a moment, sir.
ओके
Sir.
आइए सर, बैठिए ना प्लीज। लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए म्यूचुअल फंड्स में इन्वेस्ट करना है, ऑप्शंस क्या है?
है ना सर,
Value fund, growth fund, balance fund, banking fund, infrastructure fund, top 100 fund, bottom 400 fund, select fund, export fund, import fund, agri fund, auto fund, econ fund, index fund, global fund, local fund, dynamic fund, advantage fund, diversified fund, tax saver fund, emerging market fund, international fund, LATAM fund, Ethiopian fund, Korean fund, China fund. आपको कौन सा fund चाहिए sir?
Sometimes too many choices can be confusing. At Motilal Oswal Mutual Fund, we believe less is more. We have only 5 quality equity mutual fund schemes of concentrated portfolios to choose from.
Would you like to have a glass of water, please? ये तंबे, आपको पानी दे और टेबल में भटका मार, चल.
Think focus. Think Motilal Oswal. Think equity. Think Motilal Oswal. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
The gripping saga of a man who'd go to any length for his clients. The man from Motilal Oswal.
JML is plunging. Let's sell and get the hell out.
Sir, emotions are for actors. Investors need knowledge.
He knows that there's nothing like easy money.
So, no leads on AJ Constructions.
Dig deeper.
He has just one formula for success. Research.
Any hot tips? I don't give tips, only solid advice.
His methods, old-fashioned. Painstaking homework, questioning, analyzing, assuming nothing.
They promised me huge returns, लेकिन मेरा लाखों रुपया डूब गया.
My friend, you must research before you invest, not after.
That's why, when clients want results, they call the man from Motilal Oswal.
Sir, based on your investment objectives, asset allocation needs, and risk tolerance, we recommend a 50-30-20 split between 3 shortlisted funds. Top 200 Fund, Dynamic Plan, and of course, Opportunities Fund.
सिर्फ एक सवाल. Why not Motilal Oswal?
There's one mutual fund whose unique investment philosophy is making investors ask, why not Motilal Oswal?
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.